Yo, she-bitch. Let's go. Yeah. All right, you primitive screwheads, listen up. See this? This is my boomstick!
Look at the size of that thing. Must be its own zip code.
Wow. Been a while. And you look great.
You too, Larry. Very youthful. Still drinking the blood of children?
Let me ask you something. Ever see Rawhide?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Well, then you know you gotta keep them doggies rolling. Freak. Pleasure doing business with you, Emperor. Oh, Croaky. This is for the broken window.
What broken window?
That's it? I mean, we're investigating a scuttling in the hall, trying to figure out who attacked you last night. You bring me in here to look at stick pictures on the shithouse wall, man?
You know your shoelace is untied.
Welcome to Gold Lick, Mr. Campbell!
Gold Lick? Where the fuck is Gold Lick?
Hey, easy, man. That's the mayor.
I don't give a shit if he's the king of Kiss My Assy. I just spent the last 6 hours in a trunk and I want some answers. Chop, chop, and I...
You might want to... Can I help you?
Yeah, come to see the show.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. No one will be seated after the doors are closed.
It helps maintain the illusion. It's a trick. Get an axe.
Not bad for a man in his underwear.
Hey, you think that's good? You should see me without him. Lady, I'm afraid I'm going to have to ask you to leave the store.
Who the hell are you?
Name's Ash.
Housewares.
That's right. Shop smart. Shop S-smart. You got that? Shop smart, shop S-smart.
Muzzles, leather bonds, manacles. Oh, nothing unusual here.
All right. Coil wire to the ignition. What could possibly go wrong? Oh, you... Get back to you.
Hey, what do you say we have some champagne, huh, baby? Huh?
Sure.
After all, I'm a man and you're a woman. At least last time I checked.
I want you to give me a tour of life's sensual pleasures.
All aboard, baby.
Give me some sugar, baby.
Oh, I never knew life could be so swell.
Well, once you've made love the Bruce Campbell way, you never go back. First you want to kill me, now you want to kiss me. Blow.
Away from him, honey.
All right, now stay here. Try not to blow anybody till I get back.
This plan of yours, does it involve humiliating that horse's ass?
Yep.
Then I'm in.
They saw the dailies for Cave Alien 2. They said, you have never been better.
Yeah, that's because unlike most action stars, I can speak, what's the word, English. Klaatu, Veranda. Of course, for personal protection, you may have never heard of this gun, but I always use a 911 matchmaking permanent press. Ah, here we are. Table for two. Pekar.
Parker.
That is what I said. Pekar. And if evil is your black design, you can bet the goodness of the light ones will kick your bad behind. That's it? That's the chant against evil from the Book of Souls? Oh, yeah, right, boss. And what kind of decoder ring comes with that, man? Shit, doesn't even rhyme well. Whoa. Wrong book. Man, that is one big bitch cockroach. Need my help, Mr. Mayor? Yes or no?
That's exactly right.
How about that? Put the words right in your mouth, didn't I? But not just any help, huh? You need someone special. Someone who can take on a heinous monster and stop him in his tracks and take him to justice. That would be me.
Little goody two-shoes, little goody two-shoes.
Where was I?
Retreat!
Oh, wait a minute. You gotta understand, man. I never even saw these assholes before. Oh, you helpless hell spawn! Get the fuck out of here! Sleep with the scorpions, bitch!
But what of the things that we've shared? What of all the sweet words that you spoke in private?
Oh, well, that's just what we call pillow talk, baby. That's all.
An innocent person is going to die.
No, he isn't, because he's leaving. Goodbye.
Gotcha, didn't I, you little sucker?
Look, man, do I look like an ichthyologist to you? It's big damn bugs, all right? The size of my fist, size of a peanut butter banana sandwich, man. What do I care? I got a growth on my picker.
That's it. Go ahead and run. Run home and cry to Mama. Me? I'm through running.
Ah, yes, the rebel without a clue. And the girl with a plan.
I've been watching Xena. This is what Xena would do.
Hey, asshole! Go fuck yourself!
Shit. Bubba ho-tep comes out of that creek, Betty's gonna come out hungry and pissed. We're not trying to stop him. He's gonna jam this paint can up my ass and jam me in that wheelchair up Jack's ass.
Well, hello, Mr. Fancy Pants. I got news for you, pal. You ain't leading but two things right now. Jack and shit. And Jack left town.
Kelly, please. I'm not one of those shallow sex machines like all those other Hollywood types.
Hey, mister, you stole me $100! And we still have to have sex!
I'll be damned if I let some foreign graffiti-writing, soul-sucking son of a bitch in an oversized cowboy hat and boots take my friends' souls and shit them down the visitor's toilet.
That one.
Groovy. All right. Who wants some? Who's next? Huh? How about it?
Who wants to have a little?
You. You want some more? Huh?
Okay, just you and me, Top Ramen.
Come and get it, you undead sack of shit.
Oh, double barrel here! Blow your butts, the kingdom come!
I'll swallow your soul!
Come get some.
You found me beautiful once.
Honey, you got real ugly.
Sorry, man.
Bye-bye.
Who's laughing now?
Swallow your soul! I'll swallow your soul! I'll swallow your soul!
Swallow this.
Good. Bad. I'm the guy with the gun. Even a big bitch cockroach like you should know. Never, but never fuck with the king.
Sure, I could have stayed in the past. Could have even been king. But in my own way, I am king.
Hail to the king, baby.
You happy? You happy?
Oh, yes.
We're all happy.
One big happy family.